That's what God does. He takes what the enemy meant for harm and turns it into the very thread he uses to display his mercy and power. And while I was listening to you, Lizzie, I was thinking, like, each and every one of us here, and Jeanette, who couldn't make it tonight, each of us, we have a past. We were once also involved in other people's free will and a lot of our own free wills as well. And when you're saying that, you know, that he takes us and he redeems us loudly, and here we are today.
Amen. Yeah.
Look at us go, right? That's what came into my mind. Look at each and every one of us here.
Amen.
It's such a blessing to be here with you and to be able to share this ministry with you ladies. I feel so redeemed and so blessed. And I thank God for that.
Praise God.